Welcome to Fact Voyager, where we explore the truth and uncover the unseen. In today's video, we're diving into 10 unbelievable facts that will blow your mind and challenge what you thought you knew. South Africa's Mponeng gold mine is the deepest in the world, plunging 2.5 miles underground. It takes over an hour to ride the elevators to the bottom. Illegal miners sometimes hide there for months. Without sunlight, their skin turns pale gray, earning them the eerie nickname, ghosts. Anorexia nervosa is the deadliest mental health disorder, with a mortality rate more than 4 times higher than depression. Alligators have immune systems so strong their blood can kill 23 different types of bacteria and even destroy a significant portion of the HIV virus in lab tests. Speaking of the mind and body, this next condition is as strange as it is rare. Anton syndrome is a rare condition where someone becomes blind but doesn't realize it. The brain fills in false images, convincing them they can still see. Formication is a disturbing sensation where you feel insects crawling on or under your skin without any bugs present. It's so real to sufferers that it can lead to scratching injuries. Let's cleanse the palate with something a little more ancient and a lot more peaceful. On the island of Crete stands an olive tree believed to be nearly 2,900 years old. It has lived through the writing of the Iliad, the rise of the Roman Empire, and the birth of Christ, still producing olives today. A lobster's body is full of surprises. Its brain is in its throat, teeth in its stomach, kidneys in its head, and its nervous system in its abdomen. It hears with its legs, tastes with its feet, and can even be right or left clawed. From the sea back to our own bodies, here's why your throat reacts strangely when you cry. That lump in your throat when you cry or feel nervous, it's your body widening the glottis to draw in more oxygen during stress. Now let's zoom out, way out, to the origins of the universe itself. The Big Bang Theory was first proposed by a Catholic priest. In 1927, Belgian cosmologist Georges Lemaitre suggested the universe was expanding, an idea that laid the foundation for the Big Bang. And for our final fact, here's a reminder of the power of self-control. Every time you control your anger instead of acting on it, you're literally rewiring your brain, making it stronger at staying calm and compassionate. Which fact shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. This is Fact Voyager, where curiosity never ends.